You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add 3y to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is y equals 2.